Hello everyone. So your today's topic is respiratory organs of living things. There are many living things like aquatic plants, earthworm, fish, frog, insects, humans, birds and reptiles. So now you will learn about the respiratory organ of all these living things. Firstly, we have aquatic plants. Do you know what are aquatic plants? Aquatic plants are those plants that are found in water. As you know, water contains dissolved gases, and the plants that are submerged in water, they obtain air from water. Plants use oxygen from water and give out carbon dioxide through stomata into the water. Next, we have plants. As you know about the stomata, the lower surface of the leaves have small holes called stomata. Plants breathe in and breathe out through stomata. They take carbon dioxide and release oxygen through the stomata. Next, we have earthworm. The skin of the earthworm is moist and the earthworm breathes through its skin. Next, there is fish. The respiratory organs of fish are gills. So look here in this picture, these are the gills of the fish. They gulp water through their mouth. From the mouth, water reaches the gills, and the gills take in the oxygen dissolved in water and throw out the water from the mouth. Next, we have frog. As you know, frogs live on the land as well as in the water. In the water, the frogs respire through their moist skin. And on the land, they respire through their lungs. So these are the lungs of the frog. Next, we have insects. The insects like cockroach, they respire through holes found on their body. So these small holes that are found on their body we call spiracles. They breathe in and breathe out through the spiracles. When they breathe in through the spiracles, then the air is distributed in their body through the network of tubes we call trachea. Then the body parts take in oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide through the spiracles. Next, we have humans, birds and reptiles like crocodile, snake, lizard. These all are called reptiles. All of them like humans, birds and reptiles, they respire through their nose. From the nose, the air travels to their lungs. Then the lungs take in the oxygen and throw out the carbon dioxide. So I hope you understand all the respiratory organs of different living things. Thank you everyone.